Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we talked about whether or not we're going to break out of this consolidation box. And the key to breaking out of that box was the bulls' ability or inability, depending on how it was going to go, to convert 4,800 to support. They printed all-time highs yesterday. High of the moment is 48.0825. Then they slipped back down. They came back in. Back towards the 9-day, and we closed back inside this area, back in the zone. So we talked about this yesterday. You had this consolidation area drop down into a lower area, couple of looks at 47.50 Friday and Monday. Then they give it up into the Monday close. They take it up in Globex. They go ahead and they pop off the open, do 48.08 quarter. Then they fight back. The bears fight back. They don't let them hold 4,800, which is what they have been trying to do before the open. Slips back into the box. They take it down nicely. It's a nice trading day yesterday. Didn't set up as well as Monday, but it was still a very nice day. They take it right back down. They do print a lower high, and they still can't figure out this 9-day. So they still can't figure out the 9-day. They take it back up towards 4,800, and this is the key here. They hold it. Back inside the box, down. They had another chance to take out the 9-day overnight. They didn't do it. So now we're just kind of screwing around here. You got lower highs, you got some higher lows. We're just kind of doing a triangle thing in and around the 47.80, 47.75 to 47.85 area into the open. You got volume weighted average price locked up with the hourly mid band right around, call it 77.5. Our proprietary moving average is locked up with the 5-minute mid band at 81.5, and you got a whole lot of price in and around 80. They tried to convert the daily pivot around 85.5 earlier this morning, 5:30 in the morning, but they couldn't do it. So as we head into today, the bulls are going to have to fight their way out. The bulls have no sustainable advantage as long as we're trading anything with a 47 on it. Now that doesn't mean we're going to go down. It just means we're going to churn more. The bears rather, have no discernible advantage above 47.50. So as long as we're between 47.50 and 4,800, we're consolidating in a big old 50 handle box. Now the nice part about big old 50 handle boxes is that it makes for really good trading. Lots of opportunities long short. Don't get greedy, take profits where you find them. Understand when stuff stops working out that you're going to have to, trade things and go in the other direction, which is fine. Don't get ideological when the market is consolidating in a large area. If the next leg is going to be significantly to the upside, they'll convert 4,800 and we'll be off and running to the upside. If it's going to be to the downside, the bears will eventually convert 47.50, and then we'll go down and start dealing with stuff like, like the 50-day, 46.50s, the 100-day, things like that. But it all starts with who's going to win 47.50 to 4,800. That's the bottom line. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room. Great big start to the week. Great big start to the month. Great big start to the year. Come learn how to trade this stuff correctly. Come learn how to deal with risk correctly. Take profits correctly with a really solid group of people. We would love to meet you. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.